Welcome to your brand new Gecko home at Unicorn Quarter. This is where you'll want to live and memories will be made. We're thrilled to have you in our community and are here to guide you through everything you need to know about your home. This video is here to show you around some key aspects of your new home. You'll find all the information you require in your printed home user guide when you move in. Your home comes with waste management bins. Please visit Salford City Council's website to find out which items go in which bin and when they're likely to be collected. Depending on which home you live in will depend on where you need to take your bins for collection. You will have been provided with a key to access your outdoor utilities box, which is on the rear of your home. In here you can see your electricity meter and mains power supply, your energy-efficient heating system keeps you warm. Regular servicing will ensure it runs smoothly. Your fuse box is located downstairs. If your power trips, check the fuse box first. Your home is fitted with telephone and TV sockets, but you'll need to arrange your own providers. Adjust your radiators to set the perfect room temperature. Your airflow controller allows you to change the volume of air within the pneumatic system. Use the thermostat to schedule heating and save on energy bills. Your home comes with energy-efficient appliances. Manuals and warranties can be found in your home ownership pack. Your home is equipped with smoke and heat detectors. Test them monthly to ensure they're working correctly. Your windows and doors are fitted with secure locks for your safety and security. Use ClicksyFix to report any repairs during your 12-month defect period. You can also claim your annual £500 repairs and maintenance allowance. We hope you love your new Gecko home. Share your journey with us using #MyGeckoHome on social media. And finally, if you need any support from our team, please contact us on welcome@geckohomes.co.uk or call 0330 995 1333. Thanks for choosing Gecko Homes, wishing you happiness in your new home. Welcome home.